So this is a lecture on normal distribution. The normal distribution is also known as the bell curve, and you see the symbol down here, the bell represents like a normal distribution. The normal distribution is characterized by a mean mu and a standard deviation sigma. No matter what the mean is and the standard deviation sigma is, the area between mu plus sigma and mu minus sigma is 68%. The area between mu plus 2 sigma and mu minus 2 sigma is 95%. The area between mu plus 3 sigma and mu minus 3 sigma is 97%. Here you can see in figure that between mu minus 1 sigma and plus sigma it is 68%, and then between mu minus 2 sigma and plus 2 sigma this is the region, the shaded region, and it is 95%, and similarly mu minus 3 sigma to mu plus 3 sigma is 97%. The standard normal distribution is characterized by a mean of 0 and a sigma of 1. All normal distributions can be converted into a standard normal distribution by subtracting the mean and dividing by the standard deviation. So the z-score is equal to x minus mean by sigma. So here we have the normal distribution with a mean of 29 and a standard deviation of 6, and the x equal to 30. So what is the z-score? The z-score is equal to 30 minus 29 by 6, so 1 by 6, it is equal to 0.166667. And the acknowledgement is from this URL. So let's consider a birth weights example. If the birth weights in a population are normally distributed with a mean of 109 ounces and a standard deviation of 13 ounces, what is the chance of having birth rates of 141 ounces and higher when sampling birth records at random? The z-score of 141 is equal to 141 minus 109 by 13, so that is x minus mean by sigma, that is equal to 2.46. The probability of the weight 141 and lower corresponding to the z-score of 2.46 is 0.99305. How do we get it? If we go to the z-score here, and if I go to 2.4 and we go down here, and you can see it is 0.99305. The probability of weight 141 and higher is therefore 1 minus 0.99305 equal to 0.00695, which is 0.695%. Birth weights. What is the chance of having birth weights of 120 ounces and lighter when sampling birth records at random? So the z-score of 120 is equal to 120 minus mean, that is 109, by the sigma, that is 13, it is equal to 0.846153846. Probability of the weight 120 and lower corresponding to the z-score of 0.846153846 is 0.79955, which is around 79.95%. How do we get it? So it is 0.846, so 0.84. If I go to 0.8 and go here, it is 0.79955. The SAT score, for example, if we wanted to know the math score that correspond to the 90th percentile, assuming a mean score of 500 and a standard deviation of 50. So how do we do? In the Z table, the Z score corresponding to the probability of 0.9 is 1.28. How do we find it? If we go down here, we see it at 1.28. So here, if I go here, you see at around it is 0.89973, which is around the probability of 0.9, and that's why we have got 1.28 as a Z score. X is unknown, mu is mean is 500, the sigma is 50, and we plug into this equation, we can find out the unknown, that is x. Hope you liked the lecture on normal distribution and the different case studies of birth weights and SAT score. Thank you. Bye.